Welcome to a new property tour. Today we are in Forte dei Marmi, one of the most sought-after destinations in Italy, famous for its exclusive beach clubs, high-end boutiques, and refined seaside lifestyle. I will show you this stunning and fully renovated villa, only 800 meters from the sea and located in a peaceful yet central area of Forte dei Marmi. This property offers the rare advantage of being both quiet and incredibly functional, walking distance to the beach, restaurant and shops. This elegant property has a surface of about 300 square meters, spread across 3 levels and includes 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, a beautifully landscaped garden, a swimming pool, multiple outdoor living areas and a covered parking space. I will tell you the price of the property at the end of the video. Come with me. On the ground floor, the living area welcomes you with a spacious lounge and large windows that open onto a covered porch overlooking the pool. A generous kitchen with a dining area and a cozy fireplace makes it perfect for entertaining. This floor also features a stylish guest bathroom with a private bathroom, ideal for hosting friends or family. An elegant staircase leads to the upper levels where the sleeping area unfolds across the first and second floor. You will find 4 double bedrooms with parquet flooring, ensuite bathrooms and walk-in closets. 2 bedrooms have direct access to a large balcony with relaxing garden views. Step outside into a private garden designed for both relaxation and social life. At its center, a marble swimming pool invites you to relax under the Tuscan sun. The garden also features several shaded lounging areas and covered parking zone for up to 3 cars. You can own this stunning villa for a price of about 3.3 million euros. The property has a great potential, both as a private residence, perfect for spending your summer vacation in Italy, and as well as a luxury accommodation, perfect for tourist and luxury rentals, thanks to its large size, the swimming pool and the proximity to the beach. In Forte dei Marmi, rental prices are among the highest in the country, ensuring an excellent return on your investment. Property like this, fully renovated, well-sized, and in this price range, are increasingly rare in Forte dei Marmi's real estate market. That makes this a truly exceptional opportunity for those looking for a solid investment in one of Italy's most exclusive coastal destinations. Thank you for joining this property tour. And to learn more, visit our website. See you in the next property tour.